Since you are likely using ProPhoto Proofing to sell images to customers, there's a good chance that there will be times when you want to modify your prices temporarily for certain customers, certain events, etc. To help you do this, ProPhoto Proofing includes several options for overriding prices and creating discounts. In this video, we will cover these tools and give a few examples of how they can be used. The options covered will be 1. Gallery-specific discounts, 2. General discount codes, 3. Product groups, 4. Packages. A quick note, in this video we will use the term dollars as our default currency. Obviously your currency may be different, but the concepts are still the same. Number 1. Gallery-specific discounts. The easiest way to discount pricing for a particular gallery is to use the Automatic Discount Options area right within the gallery editor screen. Whatever option you choose in this area will only be applied to the specific gallery you're editing. Just be aware that these discount options will be available to any user who will be ordering from the gallery, and they will be applied to the final full order. Automatic discounts cannot be limited to specific products in the gallery. The first option provided is a monetary discount, which allows you to set a fixed dollar amount to be subtracted from the customer's final order. Pretty straightforward. Again, every person who orders on this gallery will see the discount applied against the final total price of their order. The other option, also straightforward, is the percentage discount. When you select this option, you can then input whatever percentage discount you want applied to the gallery. And then you can also select whether you want the discount to be applied before or after shipping costs get applied. For example, if we were to set a 10% discount on the gallery to be applied to products only, not shipping, this is what our cart would look like. Notice how the normal product prices are automatically discounted by the 10%. So there isn't a line item on the discount at the end. It is applied at the product price level to all products in the cart before the shipping is applied. Number 2, general discount codes. A more flexible option than the automatic discount per gallery option is discount codes. Discount codes are created independently and can be used on any gallery you choose. You can also create discount codes for specific customers, limit how many times they can be used, and set them to expire after a particular time frame. As such, they are ideal for those types of situations where you want to provide a specific customer with, say, a 20% discount if they order within the next 7 days. To get started, click the Create Discount Code for this gallery button in the Discount Code section of the Gallery Editor screen, or navigate directly to Proofing Discount Codes in the Admin panel. In this area, you can do the following things. 1. Create the actual alphanumeric code you want. For example, if you did a wedding shoot for a couple with the last name Ripley, and you wanted to give them a 20% discount off their order, you could create a code Ripley 20. Additionally, if you wanted to limit the number of codes created, more on this in a sec, you could input a partial code with a specific format, and Proofing will create random codes with whatever base you've input here. For example, if we set the number of codes we want created to 5, and we input the code with the format Ripley 20, open curly brace, asterisk, 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 close curly brace, Proofing will automatically create 5 unique codes starting with Ripley 20 and ending in random string of 3 letters and numbers. The format to use is simply an open curly brace, asterisks for each randomized character you want, and a closed curly brace. It's really quite powerful. Otherwise, if you leave this field blank, ProPhoto Proofing will just randomly create the codes for you, depending on the number of codes you indicate. So if you don't really care about the format of the code, just leave this option alone and ProPhoto will do the rest. This next option allows you to title the discount code if you'd like. This is just for you to help remind you what the code was created for. Again, you could title it Ripley Wedding 20% Discount for future reference. Here you can choose how many codes you would like ProPhoto to generate for this particular discount. If you want to provide 5 total codes for the Ripley wedding shoot that the customers could share with family members, you would input 5, and then ProPhoto would create 5 unique codes. The expiration field allows you to set the number of days after which the code will expire and no longer be valid. For example, to incentivize your customer to order within 7 days after the gallery goes live, you could set the expiration days value to 7 here. This way, the code will only work for 7 days after you create the code. After that, it will no longer be valid. Otherwise, if you set this value to 0, then the code will never expire. The next set of options in this area here are just like automatic discount codes in specific galleries. You can set them to be monetary or percentage discounts. And if set to percentage discount, you can choose to have it applied before or after shipping costs. In this case here, for our example, we'll use a percentage discount of 20% before shipping costs. Next, the number of uses option here allows you to limit how many times a discount code can be used. For example, in this case, let's say we want 5 total codes for the Ripley wedding shoot, but we want to limit them to just 1 use each. Then we'd input a 1 here. That way, each of our 5 codes can only be used 1 time. If you set the value here to 0, then there is no limit on the number of uses for each code generated. If you wish to limit who specifically can use a discount code, you can input the email address of each person here. When a customer logs into a gallery with their email account, ProPhoto will recognize their email and allow them to apply the discount code in their cart. However, if ProPhoto can't match up the email to the field here and they try using a discount code, it won't be applied. If the email field is left blank completely, the code can be used by any user. In our example, we'll leave it blank since we don't know any of the email addresses of our customers. This next option allows you to apply the discount code to all galleries you create or only to selected galleries. In our case, our code is for a specific wedding gallery, the Ripley wedding shoot, so we're going to indicate that here. Last, you can apply the discount code to all products, selected product categories, or selected individual products available in the gallery. For example, if you don't want the discount code to be used for several very high-priced product packages that you offer, you could use the settings here to exclude them from the discount. Once you have completed all of the fields, click the Create New Code button, and ProPhoto will generate the discount code or codes based on your settings. Once you do this, the existing codes are displayed below, which you can then provide to your customers. And whenever they make a purchase, they can enter their discount code right in the cart itself, and whatever settings were made for that code will be applied to their order. As discount codes get used, you will be able to see which codes are still valid, shown in a green color in your existing codes area. Yellow codes have been used the maximum number of times allowed, and red codes have expired. There are also links you can click to get further details on the code if you need to remind yourself. And to delete a code, just hover over it, click the red delete link that appears, and confirm to delete. Additionally, you can click the Delete All Expired or Delete All Used buttons at the bottom if applicable to delete discount codes en masse. Number 3, product groups. Aside from specific gallery discounts or general discount codes, you can also modify the pricing of certain products by using the product group options under ProPhoto, Customize, Proofing Products, Product Groups. This product group feature allows you to choose any products you've already created and bundle them into a specific group. Then, when you create a gallery, you can use the Available Products area in the editor to set a specific product group you want to be available. Product groups can be used to modify pricing as well. When you create a product group in the settings area, you are given the option to override the pricing of any product you include. Let's say you normally charge $25 for a single image digital download, but on a particular gallery, you want the user to be able to purchase the same digital download product for only $15. Create a new product group and select all products you want included. Then, in the override price field for the digital download product, change it to $15. In the gallery editor screen, assign this product group to your gallery, and any customer who purchases a digital download will pay the discounted price of $15 instead of the normal $25 price. A lot more detailed information about product and product groups can be found in our products overview tutorials here. Number 4, packages. Another option for providing modified pricing to customers is by way of packages, found under ProPhoto, Customize, Proofing Products, Packages. Let's say you normally charge $20 for an 8x10 print. However, you want to lower the price of a print if a customer were to purchase 5 8x10 prints at once. To do this, you could create a new package titled 5 8x10 prints or something like that, and then set the price to $80. Then, set the quantity of the 8x10 product in the package to 5. This will require a customer to purchase 5 8x10 prints for the $80, rather than purchase 5 individually, which would normally be $100. While ProPhoto Proofing doesn't currently offer volume pricing or discount options, the packages options can be used to provide bundled products for a lower price for a similar result. And you can learn more about packages in our Packages Overview tutorial here. ProPhoto Proofing offers a number of different discount and pricing options to give you more flexibility for your individual gallery and customer needs. For a detailed text version of this tutorial, please visit here.